welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need 2 ingredients to make this healthy drink. The first one is cilantro. Cilantro is a very healthy herbal plant and it has a lot of medicinal properties. It helps to lower blood sugar, rich in immune boosting antioxidants, benefits heart health, protects brain health, promotes digestion and gut health, fights against infection and helps in protecting your skin. Chop the cilantro and keep it ready. Transfer the chopped cilantro to a saucepan like this. To this, add 2 cups of hot water. Let this rest for a minute. The flavors of the cilantro is nicely getting extracted to the water. After a minute, strain and add it to a mug like this. The second ingredient is lemon. You just need half the lemon. Add the juice to a mug. This is about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it well. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. Drink this on empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.